If you like scalping trading and you wanted to know which one is the best strategy for scalp trading in 2021, in this specific video, I'm going to give you a full tutorial as to how to use it. Hi everyone, this is Christian here on YouTube and welcome to a brand new video for the channel. In today's video, we're gonna go through a Forex trading strategy that is for scalpers directly, where you're gonna learn how to make profit with Forex with 5-minute candles. So if you want to learn the strategy, make sure you stay up until the end of this video. If you're new to my channel and you're into binary options, Forex trading, crypto trading, or any type of making money online, then this channel is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and activate the notifications bell icon so that you get a notification for every new video that I upload. With that being said, let's jump into the video. Hey, before I actually jump into the content of this video, I just want to give you a warm invitation to a 100% free live training in regards to Forex trading for beginners that I'm actually having this week. So I'm having the link in the description of this video so you can join, you can sign up, and you will be able to get this training 100% free. Make sure you reserve your spot. With that being said, let's jump into the content. All right, everyone. So for this strategy, we're going to be using TradingView. It's 100% free, as you already know. We're going to go into the 5-minute charts. And more importantly, we're going to go and replay so that I can actually show you how is it that you're supposed to use this strategy. One of the things that I wanted to let you guys know in regards to this specific trading strategy is that you can use it with any broker you guys want to, since this is going to be a scalping strategy. So here's what we're gonna do. And if you haven't watched that video, I do recommend you to go and check it out. I'm gonna put it somewhere in the cards so you can learn it, but I'm going to just give you a breakdown right here. All you need in this specific strategy is a 50 moving average, which is this one right here. Once you have it added, all we need to do is wait for 3 confirmations. So confirmation number 1 is that the candlesticks, remember when the moving average with a period of 50 is going down, that's actually a downtrend, and when it's going up is actually an uptrend. But when the candlesticks actually cross over is when it changes on the trending. So that's exactly what we are looking for in this specific strategy. So we need to look for 3 different indicators. First indicator is that the candlestick touches or crosses below or above the moving average. If it's an uptrend, then that basically means that we're looking for a change on trend. So we need to wait until the candles actually cross below the moving average so that we can determine the change on trending. So let me just go ahead and show it to you right here as a clear example as to what is it that I mean. Now here's a very stable market, as you can see. So that's pretty much nothing we can do about it. Let me just go ahead and speed it up so that we can see a change on trending. Now it seems like it's becoming a downtrend, so it was a good entry point probably, but since it was too stable, I didn't really want to take that in consideration. Now this is what we need to look for. The first confirmation is that the candle actually crossed, ended up above the moving average. Since this was a downtrend, it means that the price might start jumping back up. So that's the confirmation number 1. Confirmation number 2 is that a candle closes without touching the moving average. Okay, so it closed above, and the next one, or in the following ones, there was one that didn't even touch the actual moving average. And the confirmation number 3 is that a candle needs to close above the highest of the previous candle. What I mean with this is the following. This is the highest point, right? This one right here is the highest point of the candle. So basically this one should have entered above that level in order for me to confirm, but it didn't. So what we do right now is that we just wait and see if there's one candle that closes above the highest level. If it just retracts like it is doing right now, then it's not a good confirmation for us to actually enter. Okay, now here we have a good confirmation point. Why? This one right here. You see, this is the highest. There you go. And it closed a little bit above the highest level. So that is a good entry point. How is it that we're going to be entering? Since this is 5-minute trades, we got to be super fast on it. So we're looking at a 4 pips in ATR, this one right here. So I usually give twice the value of the ATR in order for me to actually have at least 2 candles as a grace area, if you want to see it that way. So we're gonna enter right here the buy option, and 4 pips. That means that 8 pips is going to be the actual stop loss, and I'm gonna go at least 3.0 on this specific trade. There you go, perfect. So this is my entry point, and I'm gonna move this because I don't know how long it's going to take, and then we just wait and see how this trend this trade will actually behave. Now this is 70 to 85, 90% accurate strategy when you do it right. And obviously there are going to be moments when you might just lose certain trades, but this is a very easy to follow and accurate strategy. Now just remember that since you're using a 3.0 risk reward ratio, you need to understand that here you should be risking 2% of your balance, which means that 6% will be your profit if you actually end up winning that trade. Right now it's kind of bouncing around, and boom, it actually hit the take profit right now. Easy peasy, right? Now this trade actually started at 23 and it ended up at 0.050. So it took about 1 hour in order for you to actually make this profit. Pretty simple, right? Now let's wait for a new opportunity to actually enter this specific trade. Maybe it can jump more, it can drop, doesn't matter. You can do some trailing stop in order for you to make more profit in regards to it, but it's really up to you. Right now we're just gonna focus on 3.0 risk reward. It could reach up to 4.0, or I've seen trades for 6.0 in risk reward, which is awesome. Now let's just go ahead and wait and see. Now again, the 3 confirmations, right? So let's go ahead and see one candle that closes. There you go. This one closed below the actual moving average, right? Even though it's slightly below, but it's still. Now the next ones though kind of jumped, so there's no second confirmation, so we just wait. You see, now it started jumping back up. Perfect. Kind of perfect. Again, just one confirmation being met. There you go. Now here we have a good example. It closed, these two actually closed below the level of the moving average, which tells you that there might be a change on trending, right? It will become a downtrend. Second of all, this one right here closed without touching the moving average, which is good. And third, this one closed below the lowest level of the previous candle. Therefore, that tells me that this is the entry point of this trade. So we're gonna enter for a short position right here, and we're gonna go again. The ATR is 6 now, so that means that I'm gonna give 12 pips into the stop loss area. There you go. And I'm gonna go 3.0 on my risk reward ratio. There you go, 36 pips. And I'm just gonna move this around, and we're gonna see how this one actually goes. Let's see if we win it. Take a look at that drop real quick. Why is it that that happened? Because of the actual change on trend was pretty aggressive. So that's the reason why. It didn't touch the take profit immediately, but then afterwards it ended up doing it. So we entered this trade right here at 750, and it touched the take profit at 945. As simple as that, right? With 5-minute candles, take a look at the actual profit results. We're gonna look at one more example, and that's gonna be pretty much it. But I hope you guys are learning. If you're finding value on this specific video, make sure you smash the like button to support this YouTube channel. Let me just go ahead and move this around so that we can have more space. Okay, now it touched, but we don't actually see. Okay, this is a good example. Take a look at it. This is something that I would avoid. Okay, yes, it crossed, it ended up being above, but it kind of being touched in the 50 moving average, and then this one did not touch the moving average, but the moving average is still going down. So I would just wait for it a little bit. Now this candle closed without touching the 50 moving average, but it will depend. This is a good example. There you go. Now the moving average is actually moving. Do you see it? It seems like it's going to become again an uptrend. So I would say that since this one actually closed above the highest, this would be a good entry point. The cool thing is that even if you miss this one at any point of this area you could have entered is still in the trade. The ATR right now is 5, so we're gonna go with 10 in stop loss and 3.0 on the take profit, and that's it. And we're gonna see how this one actually goes, right? So it's kind of in there. I think it's gonna hit the stop loss though. No, it didn't. Okay, it was very close, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because the moving average was still stable. Now when it jumped, the price actually hit the take profit. So out of these three trades we placed today, we won them all. Okay, all of the trades were won with 6% in profit because we had a risk reward ratio of 3.0. So basically, you made a total profit of 18% in 3 trades in one single day. Okay, so this is a very powerful strategy. However, since you're gonna be trading with 5-minute candles, I do recommend you to stay away from 3-ball news, because that will kill all the actual movement inside of the pair, simply because in 5 minutes the volatility will be crazy around 3-ball news. I would say 1 hour before and 1 hour after the 3-ball news, and you're gonna be good to go. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, make sure you smash the like button, and more importantly, if you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel and you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.